Welcome back to Mental Math. Here's something that looks like a simple rounding problem, but it actually holds a beautiful mathematical surprise. At first glance, 2.4999 going on forever seems like it should obviously round down to 2. But let's think more carefully about what this number really is. So before we can round this number, we need to figure out exactly what number we're even dealing with. The 3 dots, called an ellipsis, mean the 9 repeats infinitely. So our number is 2.49999, continuing forever. And here's the thing. This infinite decimal actually has a precise hidden value. We can uncover it with a classic algebraic technique. All right, let's convert this repeating decimal into its true form. We'll start by calling our number x. The strategy here is to eliminate this infinite tail of 9s, and we can do that by creating 2 equations where the decimal parts line up perfectly. If we multiply x by 10, the decimal point shifts 1 place to the right. And if we multiply x by 100, the decimal shifts 2 places. Notice something nice here. The decimal parts of these 2 equations are identical. That means when we subtract them, the infinite part will completely vanish. So let's set up the subtraction. We'll take 100x minus 10x. On the left side, 100x minus 10x is 90x. And on the right side, those infinite tails of 9s cancel out perfectly, leaving us with just 249 minus 24, which is 225. And just like that, the infinite decimal has disappeared. Now to find x, we just divide both sides by 90. So x equals 225 over 90. Let's simplify this. Both numbers are divisible by their greatest common divisor, which happens to be 45. 225 divided by 45 is 5. 90 divided by 45 is 2, giving us 5 halves, which is exactly 2.5. Here's the reveal. The number we were asked to round wasn't just close to 2.5. It is 2.5. 2.4999 repeating forever and 2.5 are the exact same number. So now we can finally apply the standard rounding rule. We look at the 10th digit. For 2.5, that 10th digit is 5. And the rule says 5 or greater means we round up. So 2.4999 repeating forever, being exactly 2.5, rounds up to 3. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed discovering why this seemingly simple rounding problem has such an elegant answer, consider liking this video and subscribing for more.